What's up, gang? It's back with like the yearly YouTube video since I never post because I'm busy. It's time to show you the hideous contraption we've just made. We're probably gonna hurt ourselves, but it's fine. So what we did is we got a skateboard under here with cardboard on it, and we got a boogie board. Concept is that Wilson right here behind the camera pulls. I start here, right? Then he pulls me. He pulls me from here, where the board hits these shoes with rocks in them, stops, and we go into the pool. Now, I'm almost certain that this is not going to work, and I'm going to injure my spine. But we're gonna try it anyway. Wilson, what's like the % chance of failure here?
7.
That was retarded. Grab the skateboard. It worked. Grab the skateboard. Wait, let me do a kickflip underwater.